So I ended up just getting this 1500 watt space heater. And as you can see, I ended up getting is like the black and the gold. Let's get this thing unboxed and check it out. So we have our operating instructions. All right, here's what she's looking like outside of the box. It does come with a remote. Here's our plug here. We've got our little manual, our quick start guide, and we have this here. Now, this is 1500 watts, and I got it to replace my old 1500 watts, was basically twice the height. Now, I do have a big hand, but I'm gonna put the base of my hand there. Now you can really start to see the size of this thing, which is actually pretty small for the amount of power that it puts out. Now they call it gold, but it's almost like a silver with a hint of gold in it. It kind of reminds me on the Lincoln Town Cars where they used to have that silver that had just a hint of gold in it. On the front you can see the heating element with a little operation light, and on the top we've got our power. And on the top we have our power with our timer. We can adjust the actual heat, and here is our mode functions. And the different modes are going to be the power heat, eco mode, and then our fan only. These two buttons up here are the child lock. Alright, I just got it plugged in. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Got heat 2. Okay, so the heat 2 was the medium setting. We've also got heat 1, which is a low fan, a medium fan, and then a high fan on the heat section, and it is pumping out some heat. Now, something that wasn't up here, but it is here, is it has a little light function, and that turns this little light on and off so you don't have to stare at it. I don't know if you can hear, but each time that you make a button press, it does make a sound. But there, it looks like there's a little mute button so it doesn't make any more sounds. Alright, so I know my old one was 1500 watts and this is 1500 watts, and maybe it's just because it's in such a tight, compact area, but this one just screams out some heat out of this thing. It's way more shocking and does way more than I thought it was going to.